Hi to you, Gavin Dees. I have a message for you. That the Lord said, I want you to be alert. I want you to be awake. There's a person who will make you to fall, who will weaken you, who will make you to stress, and you will be greatly bothered in your thoughts, and you will lose your sweetness to me, and you will lose your devotional habit to me. Because of that one person, I don't want you to fall. I want you to keep on standing. I want you to stand upright. I want you to look above where I am.
Ngayon ani kayo li napayag London. Na inala sa habog nga bato. Murag buntod ba?
Gavin Dees,
Wala man mo sangit.
I love you with all of my life. And I want you to keep on praying. And I want you to study my words more often. And I want you to be kind into your enemies. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.